The current condition for PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc. stock, is a strong one. The stock is rebounding from the lows of $13.14 or thereabout, $13.92 after reaching a 52-week high of $16.3 on the 15th of June 2023. It bounced from this support it got at $13.92 below its 20-day moving average as of Monday, the 26th of June. Since that time, it has continued to rally. So the market edge comment on the stock is that the positive condition of the underlying indicators should keep the current uptrend intact. The stock should continue to be a market leader. The stock has outperformed the market over the last 50 trading days when compared with the S&P 500. So those are some positives. So fundamentally, there are other things investor players have pointed out about the stock. They say that the data analytics services from Palantir are popular among government agencies and businesses for analyzing large data sets. The company has become attractive for growth-seeking investors due to its strong contracts and position in the data analytics market. AI tech stock predictions favor recent company developments such as PLTR's stocks earnings per share growing 15.2% quarter over quarter. The company is also highly liquid and has no long-term debt, meaning it can pursue its expansion plans aggressively. The company is repurposing its technology from military and industrial applications to government and commercial use. Palantir has a $463 million contract with the U.S. Special Operations Command. Additionally, the company secured deals with Amazon to make its product Foundry and Panasonic to improve their battery manufacturing. These partnerships are expected to bring more opportunities with large corporations. So the stock is definitely, as I indicated earlier on, rebounding within a longer-term bullish trend. So on its daily chart, we have projections of the closest projection we have is for the stock is $15.9, which is below that 52-week high of $16.3. So after that 15.9, we have 17.35, 18.48, 19.61, 21.31, and indeed even more. Let's get more of them. 21.31 we have 21.31 we have next, 23.39, and all the way towards 29.62. all of those are on the daily chart. So let's see what the weekly chart is indicating for Palantir. Okay, on the weekly chart, the algos have since stopped calculating since it rose above its most upper projection of $14.37. So there are no further calculations on the weekly chart for Palantir based on the algos we are using. So I think we can just rely on the daily chart, on the one-day chart. So upper projections of all the way towards $29.62 for Palantir. Market conditions, trading condition for the stock is still strong. Positive condition of the underlying indicators should keep the current trend intact. Okay, so the stock appears to be correcting, or has corrected, or rebounding from corrections, and it is 4% above its 200-day moving average. Momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow scale oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for PLTR stock. The volume for the last trading session was lighter than usual, trading 26.037 million shares versus an average of 45.88 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term accumulation has given way to near term selling pressure by traders. So investors are paying higher prices for the stock, but at the same time as well, selling pressure has since kicked in. So due to the correction it has had of late, due to the correction it has had of late, the sellers are still very much they still have very much influence on what is going on right now, even though the logic is that the current trend will continue to remain intact. The current bullish trend will still remain intact. So the key thing there is that it's also now above its 20-day moving average or 21-day moving average, which is a primary demand line. So things are really intact at the moment for the stock. So see what you make of it, and I recommend that you buy this stock. But just be really careful. It's like every other stock; it can retrace. So do so, and just know how you're going to play it. If you're really confident, just as we are confident about it, you can always average down. But in the short term, I would say there's really anything to really be concerned about PLTR stock. So see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.